Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn slabs, right? So design in the slab, so we learn about one way slab and a two way slab, right? So first slab. What is slab? Slab is so considered as a plane element or plate element, right? So slabs are considered as plane elements or plane elements. This slab is classified based on aspect ratio, right? So based on aspect ratio, it is classified into two types, that is one way slab and two way slab. That is type of slabs, right? One way slab and two way slab. If aspect ratio is more than 2, it is called as the one way slab. If aspect ratio should not be more than 2, it is two way slab. One way slab means aspect ratio more than 2 is called one way slab. Aspect ratio should not be more than 2, it is called as a two way slab. Alright, actually in the construction point of view, so మనం ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేస్తాం? ఫస్ట్ ఫౌండేషన్, దెన్ మనకి ఫౌండేషన్ తర్వాత ప్లింత్ బీమ్, బీమ్ తర్వాత మనకి కాలమ్స్ తర్వాత నార్మల్ బీమ్స్ తర్వాత స్లాబ్ కదా. అంటే ఫౌండేషన్, ఫుటింగ్ తర్వాత కాలమ్స్, దెన్ బీమ్స్, దెన్ స్లాబ్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ పారాపెట్ వాల్, అలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా. నార్మల్లీ ఇన్ ద డిజైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, సో మనం ఎలా డిజైన్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ స్లాబ్స్ తర్వాత బీమ్స్, తర్వాత కాలమ్స్, తర్వాత ఫుటింగ్స్, దాన్ని మనం ఫౌండేషన్ అంటాం. ఎందుకంటే ఆ స్లాబ్ మీద ఎంత లోడ్ అయితే మనకు యాక్ట్ అవుతుందో ఆ లోడ్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఆ లోడ్ బీమ్ తీసుకుంటుంది, రైట్? సో బీమ్ లోడ్ అండ్ స్లాబ్ లోడ్ ఈజ్ టేకెన్ బై కాలమ్. సో ఫస్ట్ స్లాబ్ లోడ్ బీమ్ తీసుకుంటుంది, బీమ్ లోడ్ కాలం మీద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ కాలం లోడ్ అండ్ బీమ్ లోడ్, స్లాబ్ లోడ్ అంతా ఫుటింగ్ మీద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయితే ఆ ఫుటింగ్ అనేది దట్ లోడ్ ఈజ్ సేఫ్లీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆన్ ద సాయిల్, అది సాయిల్ మీద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తారు, రైట్? సో స్లాబ్స్, right? So slabs are considered, right? So slabs are considered as a plane elements or plate elements. Right, so slabs are considered as plane elements. Slabs are considered as plane elements or plate elements, right? So slab ni manam plane element leda plate elements antam, right? So classification of slabs, right? So slabs are classified based on aspect ratio, right? So based on aspect ratio, right? So slabs are classified based on aspect ratio. What is aspect ratio? Right, aspect ratio, right? So aspect ratio ante endi? Aspect ratio, it is defined as the ratio of longer span, it is defined as the ratio of longer span to the shorter span, shorter span. Alright, so aspect ratio, it is defined as the ratio of longer span to the corresponding shorter span, so that is known as the aspect ratio, right? Shorter span, it is known as aspect ratio. it is known as aspect ratio, right? So it is denoted aspect ratio, it is denoted with Ly upon Lx. ఎలా Ly upon Lx అంటే, so consider this is a slab, right? So this is the slab, this dimension is called, this dimension is Lx and this dimension is Ly, this dimension is Ly, right? So therefore Ly upon Lx ratio is considered as aspect ratio. Ly by Lx ratio is considered as aspect ratio, right? So మనం స్లాబ్ని ఏ విధంగా అనుకుంటున్నాం, స్లాబ్ ఈజ్ కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ ఏ ప్లేన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ అ ప్లేట్ ఎలిమెంట్. స్లాబ్ ఈజ్ కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ సో ప్లేన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ సో ప్లేట్ ఎలిమెంట్, రైట్? ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం స్లాబ్, దీన్ని నేనేమంటున్నా, slab is considered as a plane element, this is the plane element or plate element, this is the like plate, right? Slab is considered as a plane element or plate element, right? And this is slabs, so slabs is classified, slabs are classified based on aspect ratio. So what is aspect ratio? That is, it is defined as the ratio of so longer span to the shorter span ratio is called as aspect ratio, right? So aspect ratio, it is the ratio of longer span corresponding to the shorter span ratio is called as the so aspect ratio. Alright, so aspect ratio, if you consider the slab, this is the slab, for this slab this is considered Lx and this is Ly. Ly upon Lx ratio is so considered as a aspect ratio, it is considered as aspect ratio, right? So based on this aspect ratio, so we classified the slabs into two types. Based on the aspect ratio, we classified the slabs into two types, right? So number one is so one way slab and number two is two way slab. One way slab and two way slab, it is classified based on aspect ratio. Alright, so one way slab is spanning in one direction only, two way slab is spanning in two directions, right? Two way slab is spanning into two directions, right? Types of slabs, types of slabs, types of slabs, alright. So types of slabs, number one is one way slab, one way slab, alright? So number two is two way slab, one way slab and two way slab, alright? So what is mean by one way slab and what is mean by two way slab? Alright, so one way slab, it's spanning in so one direction, it's spanning in one direction, and the two way slab it's spanning in two directions, it's spanning into two directions. So this one way slab, very very important one is the aspect ratio, the aspect ratio, that is Ly upon Lx ratio is so more than 2, it is called as the one way slab. Alright, so Ly upon Lx ratio, Ly upon Lx ratio is more than 2, it is called as the one way slab. Alright, so for this two way slab, so aspect ratio that is Ly upon Lx ratio is should not be more than 2, it is called as two way slab. Should not be more than 2 means it means it is less than or equal to less than 2, it is called as the less than or equal to 2, it is called as less than or equal to 2, it is called as a two-way slab. Alright, so one-way slab, it's spanning in one direction only, and if the aspect ratio is more than 2, it is called as a one-way slab. If the aspect ratio is so should not be more than 2, that is less than 2, it is called as the two-way slab. Alright, so this is one-way slab and a two-way slab. In this one-way and two-way slab, so simply supported slab, restrained slabs, ఇలా types of slabs ఉంటాయి. కానీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ వే స్లాబ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టూ వే స్లాబ్ అనేది మనం బ్రీఫ్గా డిస్కషన్ చేద్దాం. వాట్ ఈజ్ వన్ వే అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టూ వే స్లాబ్స్. రైట్, సో వాట్ ఈజ్ వన్ వే అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ టూ వే స్లాబ్, ద రీఇన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ అనేది ఎలా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం మనం వన్ వే స్లాబ్ టూ వే స్లాబ్కి